guys, so it is Tessa here. In case you've never seen my face, hello, it is nice to meet you. It's already the new year. That is crazy. It's already 2019. Whoa. That means that this is the time of the year where everyone's all motivated to be fit and healthy, start over, feel all good and such. And that also does get a little bit complicated, trying to read all the information and such on how to start a healthy lifestyle. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 tricks to apply to your everyday life to get fit and healthy super fast and easily. So yeah guys, it's not complicated. Apply these 5 tricks, make them habits, and I promise you'll see a huge improvement in your health and fitness level. So yeah guys, without further ado, let's make all these New Year resolutions happen. Trick number 1. Write out your goals. Write out your fitness and health goals. And of course you can do this for all ranges of your life and such, but write out your goals. This way they are on a piece of paper, you can visually see and you know what you are working towards. This way you can then implement a strong plan on how to achieve those goals. You cannot go into a new health, fitness endeavor, any life endeavor and not have goals, because then what are you working towards? How do you know what you're trying to achieve? So this may be weight loss, this may be to tone up your legs, this may be to gain muscle, this may simply be to just eat healthy, to walk every day. It does not matter what the goal is, just get that goal out on a piece of paper so then from there you can implement a plan on how to achieve the goal, so then you have a very successful accomplishing year rather than just floating through the year not really knowing what you're trying to achieve. So trick number 1, write down your fitness and health goals. Now let's get into the tricks that will really make a big difference when it comes to your actual body's health. Trick number 2, eat the foods naturally produced by the earth. Focus on that. So instead of eating all these crappy processed foods that our bodies have no clue what to do with, simply just eat the foods naturally produced by the earth. When you're eating a Pop-Tart, our body's like, what the heck, this was made in a factory, it's been on a shelf for 2 years, and I don't know what to do with any of this food, so then it typically ends up stored in your body somehow, turns into a fat, or it just completely brings down your energy levels, breaks your skin out. It just does not make you feel good. So instead, eat the foods naturally produced by the earth, that is fruits, vegetables, lean meats, fish, nuts. Eat those and your body will be properly fueled. Your body will be getting everything it needs, all the nutrients and such, and nothing extra. By applying this habit, your body is going to just be functioning so much better. You're going to have more energy, your workouts are going to be better, your skin's going to be clearer, you're going to sleep better. If you have some weight to lose, your body's going to be in order, so you're going to probably end up losing that weight. Just overall, you're going to feel so much better. So yeah guys, focus on eating the foods naturally produced by the earth. If the earth makes it, our bodies know what to naturally do with it. That way we're getting all the nutrients, everything we need, and nothing extra. Trick number 3, eat intuitively. You're probably wondering, what does eating intuitively even mean? So what that is you simply just listen to your body. You eat when you're hungry and you stop when you're full, and it is as simple as that. It is so easy to get swept up in the whole New Year's thing. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna try this diet, I'm gonna do this, and all these crazy things. Guys, that is not necessary. Eat foods naturally produced by the earth, listen to your body and eat intuitively, and you will be all set. Everybody's bodies are different and everybody's bodies are different by the day. You may wake up being super hungry, the next day you're not hungry at all. One day you're craving protein, one day you're craving carbs. It does not matter, just listen to your body and eat intuitively, so then your body is getting what it needs and such, rather than depriving it and going on a crazy diet that lasts 2 weeks and then you give up and then blah blah blah. We don't need to do that. Eat the foods naturally produced by the earth, eat intuitively, and then you're doing what our bodies were naturally produced to do. Trick number 4, so simple. Get in your daily physical activity. Guys, this does not have to be crazy. This does not have to be like, oh my gosh, I spent 4 hours at the gym today. I was crazy. I burned 2,000 calories. Like, man, it was insane. No, simply just get in your daily physical activity. This can be a 30-minute walk, this can be a run, this can be a full-blown workout, just whatever it is your body needs to move. Pretty simple. If you clicked on this video, you're probably wanting to become more fit, because that's the title of this video. And to be a fit person, you have to partake in physical activity. So yeah guys, it's as simple as that. Get your body moving every single day. Get your blood pumping. Burn some calories. Hopefully sweat. Our bodies were made to be moving. We're not made to just be like, I do this all day long, sitting on my desk, and then I go to bed. No, that's not how we work. To be a fit person, you have to partake in physical activity. So, yeah, guys. Trick number 4, get in your daily physical activity. It does not have to be anything crazy. You just need to move your body. Trick number 5, make time for relaxation, hopefully meditation, something such as that. Now, this can be a daily thing. That'd be amazing. This can be a weekly thing. But you need to give your body and your mind time to just rest and relax. You need it. No one can just keep going and then not go crazy. You need a time to relax. So, yes, I like to take evening walks every day. I just find it very enjoyable. Yes, I know I sound like an old person saying that, but I just think it's very relaxing. This can be 15 minutes of meditation daily. I love to dance, so I like to always make sure a few times a week I get into the dance studio. I participate in doing what I love to do. And yeah, so just make time to do things that you find relaxing, enjoyable, and such. This can be playing your favorite sport, painting, cooking, simply just reading a book, doing full meditation daily, weekly. It does not matter what it is, but you need to give your body time to rest. And you're just going to be so much more efficient if you give yourself time to work and time to relax. It's just going to be so much more healthy for your body, for your mind, and such. And yeah, guys, those are my 5 tricks to get fit and healthy super fast and easily this year. So just a little recap. The first one, write your goals. The second one, eat foods naturally produced by the earth. The third one, eat intuitively. Fourth one, get in your daily physical activity. And the 5th one, make time to relax. I want to stress that these simple 5 tricks, these simple 5 habits can make such an improvement on your life. If you're looking to lose weight, say, applying these 5 habits will most likely allow you to lose weight just because you're doing what's right for your body. If you're someone who's struggling with tons of stress or depression, something such as that, by taking the time and the energy to do what's right for your body, you're going to feel so much better. Then also, we want to just do these things so we age well and such. I know that sounds a little funny, but truly, if you're eating bad for your foods, you're always stressed, you're making no time for relaxation, you never move your body, you just sit and eat Doritos while on your computer stressing all day. Your body is dying inside. You're eventually going to be ill, you're going to get a disease, you're probably going to die earlier, or you're just like not going to be able to walk. And let's be real, I don't think any of us really want that. So I know that's a little harsh, but it's the reality of the situation. Apply these 5 habits, these 5 tricks to make your year better, but also to just make your life so much better. These will make you healthy, these will make you fit, these will make you happy and such. I'm currently working on applying these to my everyday life, and I'm already seeing huge drastic changes. So yeah, guys, I hope that these help you out. I hope that you try them. Please comment down below if you're going to. Happy 2019, Happy New Year, and yeah, guys, please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, do all that fun stuff. I love you guys, and I will see you soon.